Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
And give her a kiss.
Woo!
Valentine.
Valentine.
Yay! I'm telling you guys, this man can cook. Jane. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Mommy set up a party out in the living room.
Already?
Yeah.
Happy? Let's go.
Hang on.
What the? What the heck? What in the?
I got you guys some Valentine's presents. Come here. What's at your chair?
Oh my goodness. Pop the pig.
Look, this is from Nana and Pappy. Look, that's from Nana and Pappy, and this is from Nana and Pappy. It says, "To Jane, love Nana and Pappy." And this card's from her too. Let's not open anything until your brother and sister wake up. Do you see all the decorations? The pink plates. We'll play it when your brother and sister wake up, okay?
I'm so happy I got it. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you.
Love you too. I always wanted to pop the pig, and finally I got it.
Yeah.
I knew it.
So for our party today, we're just gonna play a whole bunch of games, right?
Maybe we can just play the new ones.
Yeah.
I want to see what Jackson looks like. I'll bring it back. And his nose like. That's again.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Get more presents?
Huh?
Get more presents? Valentine's? I need more presents. It's more Star Wars? Star Wars. I like the Star Wars game.
What do you think?
It's Darth Vader. Heart. Oh, Darth Vader heart. What else did you get? Did you get that? Press that button. Oh. The bunny.
It's a game. We'll have to play it in a minute, okay?
Game, okay.
You guys want to go wake up Lulu?
We go wake up Lulu. We'll open it when Darth Vader chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
That's what's inside. Happy Valentine's Day. Jackson, happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. We still have to wake up Piper. When I woke up Jackson, I said, Happy Valentine's Day. And he was talking to me, and then he got up out of bed and he goes, Happy New Year, Mom. Poor guy. He's figuring all the holidays out still. Piper? Yeah, and look over there. What?
That one's pick it up for tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm gonna get it tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
I'll pick it up tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna leave it up there today.
Another blue, purple.
Pink.
Pink. Not purple. Pink.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I have the
Tell her Happy Valentine's Day. Jackson,
What?
tell Piper, say, will you be my Valentine? Say, will you
Will you
be my
Be my
Valentine.
Valentine.
And give her a kiss. Give kisses on the lips. Give kisses.
I want that.
You just want to kiss her hand?
I want kisses here.
Oh, Piper, say, will you be my
Be my
Valentine? Valentine.
Valentine.
Yay! Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Birthday.
This is way off topic, but I went through all of Jane's old summer clothes when she was Piper's age, and let's just say Piper needs no clothes whatsoever for summer. Look at all these clothes. That is so many clothes. We still have some of the winter stuff still out, but like from here, this is all summer. Oh my gosh, we have dresses, we have rompers, we have overalls, shirts, and they all fit her, so she's good to go, which is the good thing about hand-me-downs. Huh?
Olaf.
You wanna wear Olaf? All right, let's find you something to wear. Happy Valentine's Day. Come on. Yeah, balloons.
Mama.
Look, Piper. Look. This is yours over here. Look.
Mama.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can you help Piper get in her chair, Jen?
I don't work.
Let me help you open it. There you go. Oh my goodness. What's inside? Ooh, you want me to read it?
Yeah.
It says, "Ahoy, Valentine boy." Do you see a heart?
Yeah.
Where?
Over here.
Yeah.
There's a heart.
This pirate sailed across the sea to wish you lots of fun and let you know as mateys go, you're a very special one. Have a great Valentine's Day. Love your secret admirers, Nana and Pappy. What do you think?
Me and Pappy in your house.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. Do you like that?
Yeah, it's purple.
Yeah, there's purple and pink. You want to open up yours, Jane?
I already started a little bit.
Okay, let's see. Once upon a time, whoa, there was a little princess whose smile could light the day. Her precious personality brought fans from miles away. Happiness was everywhere this little one would go. She filled the world with magic and was very nice to know. And sweetheart, you are just like her. So special, sweet, and fun. A darling little princess who is loved by everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. Love your secret admirers, Nana and Pappy.
Mommy.
Oh. Cute as a kitten. Let me read it. Cute as a kitten and lovable too. That's a perfect description of Y-O-U. Happy Valentine's Day. Love your secret admirers, Nana and Pappy. Already ate them all up, but they were having heart-shaped pancakes, right? For breakfast.
This one pancakes some more.
Yeah. Guys, I got Chris a Dutch oven for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Hey babe, happy Valentine's.
Do you like your Dutch oven?
Yeah, I like Dutch oven. I've always wanted one.
Yep, he's gonna look up some recipes and we're excited to use it. Chris got me a massage, so I'm super excited about that. And of course he got me a box of chocolates. Dove chocolates, my favorite.
that box of chocolates is not like life. Because you always know what you're gonna get.
You always know what you're gonna get. Yeah, it's the same one.
You lost, Jackson. What?
You gotta try to do it without his nose turning red. Try to get it out without making his nose turn red. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, you lost. James' turn.
It's okay. Good job. Good try. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Let me see. What does it say?
Apple.
Adam's apple. It's up by his neck.
Hard.
Try it again. It's really hard. Oh, see this silver part? Don't let your tweezers touch the silver. That's what makes it go off.
It's too hard.
It's okay. Can you still try to get it out even if it turns red? Yay! This game is even hard for adults. Let's see if it has an age on here. I mainly got these for the kids. It says ages 6 and older, so none of our kids are even 6, but I got these games because these are like classic fun games, and I know that they can grow with the games. The kids only have like 2 board games, and so it's nice to have other ones on hand. So they'll grow into this game and they'll figure it out at some point. All right, we're playing Pop the Pig now. Is Jane's game that she got, okay? We've never played this before. Well, leave that there. Okay, roll the dice. Oh, you get to skip your turn. You want to roll again since it's your first turn? Okay, do it again. Hold on. Red. Okay, you're after Jane. What's the number?
2.
2. All right, put it in his mouth. Now use 2 hands on the top of his head and push down 2 times until it makes a click noise. No, all the way hard. 1, 2. Oh, his belly's growing. Turn. Roll the dice. Whoever pops the pig's belly first wins.
Yellow.
Pick a yellow hamburger. What number's on the back, Jackson? Jackson, you gotta look at the number on the back first. What number is that?
2.
It's a 3.
3.
Okay, feed it to the piggy.
Now
Click his head 3 times. 1,
2,
2,
3.
3. No, don't put the dice in his mouth. Put the hamburger in his mouth.
3. She got 3.
Okay. Okay, ready?
1,
1,
2, 3.
2, 3.
1.
There you go.
2. 3. 1, 2.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, Jackson's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop the pig! Oh my gosh, it turned out so good.
It's pretty good.
If you guys didn't know, Chris used to work at a pizza place.
Still got it.
Yeah. You got your lollipops, your ring pops.
Don't touch the top.
What do you think, Jane?
Whoa, it's bubbling.
It's hot.
That means hot. It's hot.
Yep. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it up and give everyone a piece, okay?
Okay, yay! Someone give me another Valentine's card.
Aww. Bugs and kisses just for you. Oh.
What?
With extra special wishes too for a fun and happy Valentine's Day. Love ya. Love, Mimi and Papa. Papa said he will take care of these bugs for you. He's gonna get those bugs. So Jane and I are actually getting ready to go to her dance class. She has dance class today. And our original plan was to have heart-shaped sandwiches for lunch and the heart-shaped pizza for dinner. But Chris wanted to use his new Dutch oven that I got him for his birthday, and he went to the store and he's gonna get stuff for braised short ribs. I'm telling you guys, this man can cook. I'm sure they're gonna be great, but he's gonna do that while we go to dance class. And I wanted to show you, Jane made cute little Valentines for all of the girls in her dance class. Since she's not in school, I don't think she'll get any. They're not like exchanging them at dance or anything, but it was her idea. She wanted to give some Valentine's Day or Valentines to her little girlfriends at dance, so she is excited to give those. It smells amazing.
It does. Pulling off the bone, I think we're good to go here.
Is that what it's supposed to do?
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's exactly what it's supposed to do.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day! It's actually not Valentine's Day. It's not Valentine's Day. It's not a day yet.
Oh, that's a
Valentine's night?
Yeah, because it's nighttime.
Yeah.
Did you have a good day, Jane?
Hi guys, it's Valentine's night time.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of Valentine's Day?
Getting my Pop the Pig.
Your
Pop
what?
the Pig. Pop the Pig game.
Pop the Pig
She's
game.
been wanting that game for a while.
What's the Pop the Pig game?
You know what it is.
One of the games that we got today.
Oh, I didn't see that game.
Chris was working
This
a lot.
fan is
The only one you saw was Guess Who?
wobbling. Guess who
I'll
in
fix it.
operation?
And then we got Pop the Pig too.
I can see that.
Anyways, guys, it was a fun Valentine's party.
Supper is very,
It was
very
a really
fickle.
fun Valentine's party all day. Had some good food, good heart-shaped food,
Oh yeah, we had some heart-shaped food. We had a lot of good
And
stuff today.
a lot of fun
Pancakes,
playing.
and that pizza was good. And we played Guess Who.
Tomorrow, for you, I'm gonna play.
We hope you guys all had a wonderful Valentine's as well, and thanks for watching. We have a lot of new subscribers, so we will be doing
Yeah.
our Sunday Q&A.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hey guys. Hey. Say hola. Remember?
Hola.
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 Okay, we'll see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hasta luego.
Bye.
Hasta luego.